What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how to be a product creator on Warrior Plus marketplace and without any investment. Step by step I will show you everything how to be a product creator on Warrior Plus. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and long run your affiliate marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. And at the end of this video I will show you how can I make this $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So as I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will show you how to be a product creator on Warrior Plus without any investment. I will show you everything step by step in 3 steps, and you have to complete all these 3 steps for being a product creator on Warrior Plus. So guys, check into my computer and watch the entire video step by step for be a product creator on Warrior Plus marketplace. So step number 1, you have to join Warrior Plus first. So you see here it's warriorplus.com and sign up for free. Your username, password, email address, just, and if you are not a robot, then create your account. It's so simple and so much easy. Just 1 minute or less than 1 minute needed to join this Warrior Plus. Now step number 2, manage your product. You are going to sell your personal product in Warrior Plus marketplace. So you have to manage your product, and it's a free way. So I will show you how can get your products for free. For this, you see here it's a PLR website. It's id plr.com, and another is PLR database. A lot of products inside this PLR database and PLR site, and you can get a huge products from here to sell in Warrior Plus marketplace. PLR products are allowed to resell, so there is no restriction here to sell those products in Warrior Plus marketplace. But I recommend you to um, choose this product from here, but uh, you have to create your sales page or your access file or thank you page by your own hand by yourself. Then that will be best for getting more convert. That will be more convertible, and you will get more sales. So as a newbie or as a totally beginner, you can apply this method. So check it. So suppose you are choosing this product, you see here, you can download here and you can preview here, but mind it, you have to need this sales page and thank you page. All those are mandatory for adding your products into inside Warrior Plus. So if you have to choose those kind of product that have sales page and thank you page. You see here sales page and thank you page. And in case of PLR database, You can select a lot of categories here, and it's affiliate marketing. Suppose you want to promote this product. You see here sales tools, no, so it's not perfect product for choosing, so cut it. You see here sales tool is yes, so you will get your sales page and your thank you page inside this product. So after downloading this, you will get this sales page and thank you page. So you can manage your product by these two PLR website. One is idplr.com, another is plrdatabase.net. So you can get a lot of free products, PLR products inside here. But if you want to get unlimited products or unlimited download, then you have to be a paid member inside those PLR site. But if you want 10-20 products per month, then you can get it for free. So step number 2 has been completed. If you have any question in this 2 step, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your answer. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. Now step number 3, and it's critical to add products in Warrior Plus. So step number 3, add products on Warrior Plus. Now I will show you how to add products in Warrior Plus Marketplace. And you see here it's my sales page and it's my thank you page or access file. Access file means it's the delivery file. When someone buy your product, then inside this page he will get the delivery or the access file of this product. And here's the sales page. Now go to Warrior Plus and go the vendor products. You see here products. Now see this new products. You have to choose your product name. So my product name is 5 steps to affiliate commission. So 5 steps to affiliate commission. Okay, then if you have any picture of this product, then you can add your image here. Then choose this category, it's affiliate marketing. Okay, keyword affiliate marketing. Okay, here is the content type. If your your delivery will be a video file, then you can choose video. If it's ebook, or then you can choose ebook. Or if your product will audio file, then you can choose audio. So it's my product and it's ebook, so ebook, choose this ebook. Now you see here, choose this access file. So you have to provide your access file or thank you page. Or you see here is my access file or thank you page. Okay, here is the refund period, it's 30 days. Term and condition, all this blank is not mandatory to fill up, so say it carefully. You can choose your support mail, support URL, it doesn't matter. You see here, you will the original creator and executive owner of this product. Choose this. I certified it. Here is all this way: free product, subscription product, and single and pay. You will choose this single payment. Now price. It's another is important thing in those in this case, in this single product or single payment product, I prefer you, or I recommend you to choose low price such as 5.5 or 4.5 or 5 6.5, 4.5 6.5 6 6.8, that's it, not more than 7. Okay, here is the regular price. Suppose your product price was 47, but it's the sale price 5.50. Okay, limit of sales 100. Fine. Now you have to choose your payment method, and it's PayPal. Choose your PayPal account. Okay, and basically it's over. Now it's all the affiliate information. If you permit other peoples to promote your products, then you can set the percentage, how much percent you can, if uh, you want to get them, then you can choose this percentage, and it will 5 to 100%. So it's depend on you. It's not mandatory for you. So first of all, I revised it once. At first, your product name, now image, then your category, keyword, content type, then your thank you page or your access file, your refund period, and all these are so much important. You have to fill all this to send this product approval. Refund price, then support mail. In this case, you are the original owner. Then click here. Single payment is the regular price, it's the sales price, it's the limit of sales. You can increase it 500 to. Then set up your PayPal, and all these are optional. All are optional. Then save. In order to make sure your product needs admin access info. Okay, fine. So you see here another revise here. It's the product name, then image, then your category. You can choose your keyword. Here is your content type, then your access file or thank you page, and here is your admin access. So you have to provide your own profile here, or your Facebook profile here. Then refund period, your support mail, you are the original creator. Then click here. Here is the regular price, sell price, limit of sale. Then add this PayPal. Okay, then save it. Okay, now go this offer. So your product is ready. Now you have to create an offer. So see here, create a new offer. Here is the title, 5 steps to affiliate commissions. Then your same image. Here's the description. Here's the category, affiliate marketing, keyword, affiliate marketing. Now you have to provide your sales page URL here, and here is the sales page URL. Then this offer page, this new offer is for getting the approval of this product from Warrior Plus. You have to get this approval for this product, and for this you have to create an offer. In case of releasing a product, basically it's an offer for Warrior Plus, so you have to create an offer, and your title, image, description is same description. Then it's the category, keyword, now your sales page, and finally sales page, then create. Okay, now you have to add product. It's 5 minutes information. Now your offer is you add your product here. Now submit request. You see here all this, submit for review. Your offer is now pending. After 24 hours you will get this notification from Warrior Plus. Your offer will approved or reapproved. If you get reapproved, then they will explain everything which needed you changes for getting approval. So guys, that's it. So to be an product creator on Warrior Plus without any investment, you have to follow all these 3 steps. Number 1, you have to join Warrior Plus. Number 2, you have to manage your products by this 2-pillar website, and number 3, you have to add products on Warrior Plus. And all the process of adding products I show you step by step. So if you have faced any problem, then comment in the comment box and watch carefully the whole video to getting approval of your products for selling. Okay, fine. And after getting your approval, you will get here this option, public or private. After on this public, then your product will show this marketplace. You see here like this, your product will show in this marketplace. So guys, if this video helped you, then thumbs up this video and comment if you have any question in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here, it's Legendary Marketer, the educational training program for online marketing. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, or if you are an expert and if you want to long run your online journey, then Legendary Marketer is the best business model based educational training program for everyone to make big money online. But if you want overnight success within this Legendary Marketer, then it's not for you. You have to learn first, then you can earn. And for lifetime online business, Legendary Marketer is the perfect. So there is no hurry. So join Legendary Marketer, be a legendary like me, and make these big sales like me. So guys, best of luck, take action, and be a product creator on Warrior Plus. So guys, thank you. See you soon. God bless you.